Welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to talk about the ways to dispute a charge on your TD Bank credit card. In order to dispute a transaction on your TD Bank credit card, you have to follow the steps. You can consider before submitting. What to consider before submitting a transaction dispute request on your credit card are: number one, what you can do is to submit a dispute, it must be purchase made with your TD Bank credit card. If you find a transaction on your statement that's from a merchant you haven't transacted with, then the charge can be fraudulent. Now, if you have suspect the transaction is fraudulent and it has posted to your account, you need to contact the TD card on a toll-free number that's going to be mentioned on the card itself or on the website. Next, you can also attempt to resolve with the merchant prior to initiating a dispute. Next, you could also submit a transaction dispute request within the appropriate time frame. By following these steps, you should be able to dispute your charges on TD Bank credit card. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.